Hi everyone, today we learn about apologizing in Swahili. Sorry and excuse me. Samahani, samahani. Excuse me, excuse me. Pole sana, pole sana. I am very sorry, I am very sorry. Nisamehe tafadhali, nisamehe tafadhali. Forgive me please, forgive me please. Nisameheni tafadhali, nisameheni. Forgive me please, forgive me please. Sikukusudia, sikukusudia. I didn't mean it, I didn't mean it. Naomba msamaha, naomba msamaha. I ask for forgiveness, I ask for forgiveness. Sitafanya tena, sitafanya tena. I won't do it again, I won't do it again. Usinichukulie vibaya, usinichukulie vibaya. Don't take it the wrong way, don't take it the wrong way. Pole kwa hilo, pole kwa hilo. Sorry about that, sorry about that. Tafadhali nielewe, tafadhali nielewe. Please understand me, please understand me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tutaonana kesho.